In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your e-learning so that it is released to be able to access it through SuperCheckout when they purchase your course. So I'm here inside of SuperCheckout and I created a product. So I'm going to go through and edit to show you how I set it up. So if I click edit, you can see that I've created the product. I've put in a product name, the language, actually put in a product description. This is a digital product and we can choose to be a course, and then I click next. And then on pricing, I enabled my PayPal setup. I used US dollars and I set up all of the payment information, and then I click next. On design, I chose the 3-step checkout and I set up all my thank you page information, and then I click next. And then on email campaign, I can set up access to Mailing Boss, the thank you email settings, abandoned cart settings, and then I click next. In restricted areas, if I want to set up access to a restricted area and I've iframed the e-learning into that membership area, I need to make sure that if they purchase, they get access to whatever membership area I put it in. So you need to make sure you check mark the membership area that the e-learning is actually a part of, and then click next. And then here's the most important part. In the e-learning area, it says register a new student in the e-learning. So if I check mark that, it's going to pull up all the e-learning courses that I have. I can choose that new course that I built right here by choosing the course and then clicking save. And once they go through the super checkout process and they make the purchase, it will actually create a new student count on the new e-learning platform. So they're already registered and ready to go because they've purchased. So that's how you set up your super checkout to release the e-learning area for your course inside of the e-learning platform.